Hi, it's Miss Schmidt, your librarian. I'm back in my office making another video. I heard from a teacher that fourth grade is studying math right now, specifically in their math class fractions. So I thought I would read a couple fraction books. I'll do one video with this one, Fraction Fun, and then I'll do a second video too. This one is by David A. Adler. And we'll get started with the story. Here it says, a fraction is a part of something. We use fractions all the time. When someone says she is 8.5 years old, she is using a fraction. She is saying that she is a fraction, a part of a year, more than 8. When you share a granola bar with a friend, you are using fractions too. Each of you is getting only a fraction, a part of the bar. This dog says, I'm 21.5 in dog years. Each time you eat a slice of pizza, you are eating a fraction, a part of the pie. Most often, pizza pies are cut into 8 slices, into 8 equal parts. Each slice is one of those 8 equal parts. Each slice is 1/8 of the pie. And there's the pie. If you eat one slice, you are eating 1/8 of the pie. If you eat 2 slices, you are eating 2/8 of the pie. You are eating 2 of the 8 equal parts. In the fraction 1/8, the top number, the 1 is the numerator. There's the numerator. The bottom number is the denominator. Each fraction has a numerator and a denominator, a top number and a bottom number. Now let's do some pizza math. It will teach you about fractions. To do pizza math, you will need 3 paper plates all the same size, a pencil, a ruler, and a red, green, and blue crayon. So you can try this at home if you have paper plates. With the pencil, mark the center of each plate, and using the ruler, draw a straight line through the mark from one edge to the other edge of the plate. The lines you drew divided each plate into 2 equal parts. Each part is half of the plate. If on your plates one part is larger than the other, it is probably because your marks were not in the exact centers of the plates. On one plate, write 1/2 in each of the 2 parts. With the red crayon, shade in one part of the 1/2 plate. On another plate, draw a second line from one edge to the other and through the center mark. Draw it so that you divide the plate into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4 of the plate. Write 1/4 or 1/4 in each of the 4 parts of the plate. With the red crayon, shade in one part of the 1/4 of the plate. On the third plate, draw a second line through the center of the plate, dividing it into 4 equal parts. Next, draw 2 more through the center of the plate, dividing it into a total of 8 equal parts. Each part is 1/8 of the plate. Write 1/8 in each of the 8 parts of the plate. With the red crayon, shade in one part of the 1/8 of the plate. Now look at the 3 plates. Pretend each of the plates is a pizza pie. Pretend each red section is a slice of pizza. Which slice is the largest? 1/2, 1/4, or 1/8? Which slice is the smallest? What happens to the fraction as the denominator, the bottom number, changes? As the denominator gets larger, from 2 to 4 to 8, the fraction gets smaller. And as you cut the pie into more and more slices, each pizza slice gets smaller and smaller. See? 1/2, 1/4, and then 1/8. With the green crayon, shade in 2 sections of the third plate. The 2 sections should be next to the other 2. You have shaded in 2/8 of the plate. With the blue crayon, shade in 3 sections of the plate. The 3 sections should be next to each other. You have shaded in 3/8 of the plate. If you pretend that the plate is a pizza pie, it's clear that there's more pizza in the blue section than in the green section, and more in the green than in the red. 3/8 is more than 2/8 or 1/8. 2/8 is more than 1/8. What happens to a fraction as the numerator, the top number, gets larger? As the numerator gets larger, the fraction gets larger. And I'm going to end the fraction book right there. But if you want to read more, you can check out this book at our library and have some fraction fun of your own. So I hope you've enjoyed this book, and I have plenty of others about fractions. Have a great day. Bye.